Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable graphics acceleration when it is available in Microsoft Edge on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Microsoft web browser and after then click on this three-dot bar and then choose settings. And now click on this sidebar and from here you have to choose System and Performance. And normally, if you scroll down a bit, you will see an option here, Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Just normally toggle this switch off to stop the acceleration. On the other hand, if you want to turn it on, normally check this box again, and it is going to turn on the graphics acceleration on your Microsoft Edge browser. So every time you do it, you have to restart your browser to see the effects. So that's all about today's video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. Allah Hafiz.